Good afternoon, founders. Basically, the potential investor already understand enough about your business to let them confirm the investment. The final step is the due diligence. Okay? Due diligence, what is the function of due diligence? The function of due diligence is to ensure the information that you provide is exactly the truth. Okay? So that's why you need to prepare all the information. And so the data room is needed. I would suggest you don't pay some data room service. Actually, you can build it, use these kind of cloud services. Free of charge will be good enough. And security-wise, I think it's fine, okay? And basically can set different kind of security level. I don't have any problem about that, but it is free of charge for all the startup founders, and I highly recommend you don't pay for some service for the data room, okay? But how to include information in your data room? That's why I recommend you to this checklist. Again, free of charge, okay? So when you click in, you can register and download. And here is the content, okay? There are 16 folders or categories. So I try to build it as a folder. Plus, I add one more folder, which is others information, okay? So first folder is related to company information, corporate record, and it's about company, okay? Like your BR, like your organization chart, all this. And I like this checklist because it includes everything, not only the title, but also explanation. Very clearly, everybody can understand. So this is only a checklist, okay? If you have the information, you can include. If not, then you can just forget it, okay? It's not a must. Different companies has different kind of situation. So, but I like this reference because it includes most of the information that we need, okay? So this is the first folder is about your company. Second folder is about the stakeholders, like your shareholder or investor information. You put it in here, okay? And then the third section is about the security insurance, like how many shares that you already allocate, or what is the history, investor joining, is it angel round or PA, different round details, you can put it here, okay? And then the fourth folder or section is about the financing document related to, because Hong Kong is pretty good, you have 100% guarantee from Hong Kong government, a lot of bank loan, so all this kind of bank information will include here. Just for the investor understand more about your liability and other material contract, for example, the supply chain, okay? You sign any contract, commit with your supplier, and all this kind of contract you can include in this. This is for the expenses side, okay? Supply chain, okay? And then for the HR, the management employees information, you can put it in the section 6. And then section 7 is the financial information. It's about your financial situation, okay? Like your audit report or audit account or bank statement, things like that. And section 8 is about sales side. So before is supply chain, this expenses. Now this section 8 is sales and marketing, okay? So do you have any contract with your distributor, or do you have any invoice or that you can send out for some tenders, things like that, okay? And The section 9 is about the real properties. For example, your incubators, you sign the contract, tendency contract with Science Park, and you can put it here. Or you are running a business, need to have the warehouse, you rent a warehouse somewhere, so you can put it, this information here. And then section 10 is about your patent information, trademark, all this you can put inside. And section 11 is about the IT system, networking, more related to cybersecurity, explain to people how you keep your important information. And then section 12 is more related to the environmental handling. Like my first company, Centrital, we do product development or product design. Actually, we fabricate PCB in-house. So we in the lab, we have an area to do PCB fabrication. So we use different kind of chemicals, generate some chemical waste. So we have the certificate as well. So here we will put this kind of information in this section. Or for Kamakura, they have a central kitchen, and and the central kitchen, they got the license and all this kind of information, how to handle the food wastage, and they will put the information in this section, okay? So if you don't have that, you can just ignore it, okay? And the 13 is related to governmental regulation and filing. So like I mentioned, like the regulation, license, or some government tender, and all the information, you can put it in the section 13. And section 14 is related to legal. Do you have anybody sue you, or a court record, things like that? Or so normally you are startup, you don't have that kind of problem. So this section is related to that. And section 15 is about insurance. And for example, for local buy, they partner with insurance company that can provide insurance for all end user. When they write the local buy, basically they have protection for, they have insurance to protect. All this kind of agreement related to insurance, that will be in section 15. And finally, it's about the tax. So all the tax-related document, then you can put it in the section 16. In case you have some other information, like for example, the media coverage or the award information, you don't want to put it in the sales marketing folder, you want to put it aside, and you can put it in the section 17 in the other document folder. Okay, so that will be pretty much about the data room that include all the necessary information for investor for their review. Here is my name card. I will not stop this screen, and you guys please feel free to take. And this is my personal mobile, okay? And you know, people send me an email. Frankly, I will not check. I have admin office to check, handle all my meeting schedule, all the email they will read. But this number, this WhatsApp is the only thing I will handle in person. Okay, I give you my best communication channel. So that's the end of today, and I hope you guys enjoy, and please feel free to mingle. Thank you. Thank you.